Tuluyan ang nireject ng Commission on Appointments ang pagtatalaga kay Perfecto Yasay bilang kalihim ng Department of Foreign Affairs. Siya po ang kauna-unahang cabinet member na nireject ng CA sa kasaysayan. Ito'y matapos siyang mausisa sa issue ng kanyang umano'y US citizenship. Sabi ng CA member na si Senador Pampilo Lacson, dapat nang bitawan ni Yasay ang posisyon. Yan po ang tinutukan ni Jamsi Santos.
Upon a unanimous vote of 15 of its members present in a caucus held this morning, this representation as chairman of the Committee on Foreign Affairs hereby moves to reject the ad interim appointment of Attorney Perfecto Rivas Yasay Jr. as Secretary of Foreign Affairs.
Matapos ilang beses humarap sa Commission on Appointments, nireject na ang ad interim appointment ni Perfecto Yasay Jr. bilang Foreign Affairs Secretary. Kaya tanggal sa DFA si Yasay at kailangan ng mag-appoint ang Pangulo ng kapalit niya. Sa 19 na miyembro ng CA Committee on Foreign Affairs, 15 ang dumalo at bumotong tanggihan ng appointment ni Yasay.
It was not being forthright in the question and answer portion of the hearings, the two hearings that we conducted.
Sa pagdinig kanina, inamin ni Yasay na inaprubahan ng Amerika ang application niya para sa naturalization at binigyan siya ng US passport noong November 1986, ngunit nawawala na raw ang passport na ito. Giit din ni Yasay, hindi naging epektibo ang kanyang naturalization process dahil matapos ng 3 buwan lang, nilabag niya ang US Immigration and Nationality Act nang bumalik at manirahan sa Pilipinas.
I did not lie. I may not have fully disclosed what was required in my answering this question, but this is really normal in a process like this. When you're asked before an august body like this, questions like the one that had been asked of me, you get nervous. You somehow come up with answers that you do not intend. And I apologize for that. Let me quickly apologize for having inadvertently misled the Commission on this matter. It has never been my intention to deceive this commission about my citizenship status.
Si Congresswoman Josephine Ramirez Sato ang nanggisa kay Yasay. Sabi ni Sato, nitong February 9 lang formal na naaprubahan ng Amerika ang renunciation ni Yasay.
I do not understand, Mr. Chairman, why the Honorable Secretary cannot admit to this commission that he was an American citizen and he only lost his American citizenship in February of 2017. Is it because, Mr. Chairman, that when he filed the certificate of candidacy for Vice President, he again misrepresented to be a Filipino citizen when in fact he was still an American citizen?
While the form might have been a renunciation form, as the good Congresswoman has stated, the reason for the loss of my nationality had made reference precisely to that act of not being qualified to become an American citizen on November 26, 1986, which is very clear on the documents that has been referred to. And
Hindi rin pinalampas ni Congresswoman Sato ang pahayag daw ni Yasay sa isang radio interview na tila may kinalaman sa destabilization plot umano laban kay Pangulong Duterte ang pagkwestiyon sa citizenship niya.
I was referring to those from the outside trying to question my citizenship within this commission. If this is the impression that I committed, ma'am, I apologize. God is my witness.
Ayon kay Senador Ping Lacson, walang balak ang CA na sampahan ng kasong perjury si Yasay kahit pakiramdam nila ay hindi ito nagsabi ng totoo. Ipapaubayan na lang daw nila ito sa ibang tao. Ang malinaw daw sa ngayon, hindi na maaaring italaga muli si Yasay bilang kalihim ng Department of Foreign Affairs. Iginagalang naman daw ng DFA ang desisyon ng CA. Siniguro ni DFA spokesperson Charles Jose, magiging maayos ang trabaho sa DFA habang hinihintay ang kapalit ni Yasay. Wala pang pahayag ang Malacanang at si Yasay kaugnay rito. Jamsi Sante, nakatutok, 24 oras.
Sa isang pahayag, sinabi ni Yasay na meron pa naman daw ibang oportunidad matapos siya ma-reject ng Commission on Appointments. May pagkakataon na nga raw siya ngayong makapagpagupit Deserve din daw niya ang makapagpahinga matapos magampanan ng maayos umano ang kanyang trabaho.